Hello, Professor Kaczynski and classmates. My name is Gracie Flores, and today I'm going to be sharing my project-based learning unit that is centered around gardening and planting seeds to create a beautiful garden as an end result. This PBL is catered towards more 3rd to 4th grade students and falls under science and math subject areas. This gardening PBL is going to be engaging for students because it's a hands-on project where they are actively engaging with their work and building new problem-solving and critical thinking skills as they are planting their seeds and monitoring them for growth. According to GreenPack, they are going to be learning about how a seed grows into a plant, which involves the science subject area, the measurements of water that a plant needs to grow every day, which involves the math subject area. And they will also be reporting on the daily growth of their plants, which will create strong decision-making skills for students. For example, does the plant need more water? How much sunlight is it getting? Is the sunlight or water hindering the plant's growth? These are important questions to ensure the plant's needs are being met to ensure the growth. This PBL will also be engaging and increasing cognition because this will be a collaborative learning process for all students, where students are working in small groups to plant a few of one kind of seed, whether that is flowers or a different kind of plant of the student's choosing. Each group will have different seeds to foster more creativity among students and tend to the unique needs of their specific plant or flower. Students are also taking charge of their own learning process, where they are learning independence but also group learning while building cognitive thinking skills. The goal is to have one big garden that comes together through every group working together to help their seeds grow into a big, beautiful garden. This PBL unit challenges students to use their critical thinking to know what their plants may need to survive, which is why students are making daily observation notes of their plants. It also challenges students' problem-solving skills and teaches them the importance of being responsible because they need to be actively taking care of their plants to see their growth. These skills can be challenging for young learners, so introducing these topics to them through this PBL can be a very meaningful learning experience for them. The Bloom taxonomy that are incorporated into this lesson are remember, understand, apply, analyze, and create. Students are remembering and applying all that they have learned about plant growth and how to adequately take care of them. According to Charlotte Roll, they are also applying understanding by discussing, reporting, identifying the different changes they are seeing in their plants and the effects that weather conditions or the lack of care can have on their small garden. Finally, each group is creating one small garden to make an even bigger garden, which takes a lot of time to develop. By the end of this PBL unit, students will be able to explain their plant growth observations, and their critical thinking skills will have improved. Students will have learned how applying math and science skills to an everyday activity like gardening can be very beneficial and show them that math and science are a part of our everyday life. Students will also have strengthened their problem-solving skills because gardening does require some trial and error, which would have been very beneficial to their learning and understanding of how to solve a problem with creative solutions. And students will also have learned the importance of teamwork and how it really can make or break the process of their gardening. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have learned a lot from my lesson.